In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new ticket will be created for new webhooks. So let's build this journey. Select HTTP as a trigger, then choose New Request on HTTP link as a trigger event. Provide the webhook name. You'll see a window with an option of copying URL. Now provide HTTP method as post and provide request parameters as shown. Now in steps, we have to create a new ticket via Freshdesk. For that, select Freshdesk. Next, add Create Ticket as an action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an account. Now provide the requester's email. Provide subject with title, name and email. Provide the description from HTTP app data tree. Add priority and status. Now let's get back to trigger. In order to set up a webhook, copy the URL, then paste it in our standard HTML form. Then save it as HTML file. Then open it using the browser. Whenever we submit details via this form, webhook will capture the details. The journey is ready. Save the changes and start journey. Now let's check the output. Go to webhook form. Provide your email address, name, title and description. Submit the form. Now let's go to journey. So we see it's executed successfully. Go to Freshdesk. We can see a new ticket added with provided title. So in this way, we can create an automation journey where a new ticket will be added for new webhook data. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.